Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler Master's white colored MicroATX case MasterBox Q300L with modular IO panel. So friend, Cooler Master offers the MasterBox Q300L White MicroATX compatible PC case for the consumer market. And friend, it is the white version of MasterBox Q300L, and friend, it has a compact size of 230 mm in width, 387 mm in depth, 381 mm in height, but sufficient expansion space is secured by simplifying the internal structure. And friend, it also has a modular IO panel that can be installed in 6 different locations, a stylish dust filter with the geometric pattern, and a borderless acrylic side panel that enhances the lighting inside the case. And friend, the cooling fan on the MasterBox Q300L White is front 120 or 240 mm, 120 or 140 mm into 2, top 120 mm into 2, rear 120 mm into 1, bottom 120 mm into 1, and the dry bay is 3.5 inch shadow bay into 1, 2.5 inch shadow bay into 2, and there are 4 expansion slots, and the effective space for the graphics card is up to 360 mm in length, 160 mm in depth, and 159 mm in total height for the CPU cooler. And if I talk about the pricing, the estimated market price is $65 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell.